Welcome to Gasette. Today we will be discussing the new Claude video capability and how to use it to automate visual content workflows. If you're a business owner or a digital creator, you already know the core pain point of modern content creation, right? It's juggling all these fragmented AI tools. You're constantly bouncing between one tab to write your copy, another completely different subscription to generate images, and then opening yet another app to create video. Honestly, it completely kills your efficiency and destroys your workflow. But what if you could just unify all of this?
Well, that brings us to the concept of a content operating system. By combining a coding environment, like Claude Code, with a multi-model generation platform, you create this highly capable, unified engine. Instead of managing a dozen different web apps, you have one single centralized hub. You just make a request, and the system intelligently routes that task to the absolute best specialist AI model for the job, all without you ever having to leave your workspace. It's incredibly powerful.
Okay, let's dive into our business school syllabus for optimizing your digital workflow. Today we're going to cover the content operating system, connecting the AI tools, generating web and image, animating visual assets, automating reusable AI skills, and finally, calculating the ROI.
Starting with Section 1, the content operating system, and consolidating your tech stack, we really need to establish the high-level theory here of centralized workflow efficiency. The big shift we're navigating right now is moving away from the old way, which is managing all those disparate, isolated subscriptions, and moving toward a unified capability using a command line interface, or CLI. You are essentially giving your workspace one massive central AI brain. This gives you extreme versatility. See, when you integrate a tool like the Higgsfield CLI directly into your coding environment, you aren't just getting one service. You are literally unlocking an entire factory of generation engines directly at your fingertips.
Moving on to Section 2, connecting the AI tools, creating the multi-model hub. The command line interface acts as the ultimate bridge between your ideas and the computational power needed to execute them.
Through this multi-model hub, you instantly gain adaptable access to over 50 specialist models. Now, notice we aren't claiming any single product is the ultimate winner here, or the new default. The landscape simply changes way too fast for that. One week an image model might be superior, and the very next week a completely different video model drops. Because your CLI routes to all of them, whether that's Gemini, Nano Banana, Midjourney, or 11 Labs, you just swap out the model tag in your prompt. You don't have to re-engineer your entire company's workflow every time a new tool comes out.
And you might be wondering about the technical setup, but it is incredibly accessible, even if you have zero coding background. The logic is literally just 3 simple steps. First, you open your preferred environment, like Claude Code. Second, paste the command to install your target CLI, in our case, Higgsfield. And third, authorize the connection. That is it. Your devices are linked, and you now have a full arsenal of media creation right inside your terminal. Let's look at Section 3, generating web and image in building the foundation. It's time for some practical application to see how this builds a web design agency site entirely from scratch using this unified system. The workflow efficiency here is just incredible. You start by prompting the layout. But instead of relying on some generic AI taste, you can actually import established design system repositories. For example, you can point the system to a public GitHub repository for Spotify's design system, or a repository detailing universal design laws. You literally instruct the AI to be inspired by those specific, high-quality principles. This radically shortcuts your path to achieving professional, agency-tier web design.
And this brilliantly illustrates why having a multi-model setup matters so much. Once your website structure is built, you're going to need images. If you require a very specific format, like say a 4x5 image bordered on a white background in 4K, well, standard models might actually struggle with that. But through your CLI, you can route that specific prompt straight to Nano Banana Pro, an engine uniquely equipped for those exact parameters. You can even request 4 distinct image iterations at once, review them right in your chat stream, and just pick the perfect fit.
Which brings us to Section 4. Animating visual assets, dynamic video and avatars. This is exactly where we unlock high-tier production value without ever leaving that initial coding environment. Let's say you selected a really beautiful generated image of a laptop sitting on a desk for your new website. Instead of just leaving it static, you can prompt the integrated video model to animate it. You just write a command instructing the video engine to make the laptop screen dynamically unfold and display data right as the user scrolls down the web page. It seamlessly weaves video generation directly into your front-end web development process.
The really crucial point here is that you can also build custom identity assets. By uploading around 20 reference photos, you can generate a completely custom character ID. Once that is loaded into the system, you can just type a command asking for an image or a video of that specific person, say working at a copy shop, just by referencing the avatar ID. It integrates your actual brand or persona perfectly into the automated flow.
Section 5. Automating reusable AI skills. Systematizing the workflow. For any independent entrepreneur or small business owner listening, this right here is your ultimate operational leverage point.
The philosophy is beautiful and simple. Build once, reuse forever. Once you've spent the time perfecting a complex, multi-step generation path, like designing your layout, generating a specific style of image, and applying a scroll animation, you absolutely do not want to type those prompts out manually every single time. Instead, you instruct the system to convert that entire workflow into a callable skill.
It automatically saves this as an MDS skill file. This means your completed visual asset package is now enshrined as a custom tool on your machine. So the next time you need a landing page, you simply trigger that specific skill file and it auto-runs the perfected workflow. From there, your CLI can instantly create a brand new repository and deploy the finished animated website live via hosting platforms like GitHub and Vercel. It's almost like magic.
Let's wrap things up with Section 6, calculating the ROI, the economics of production. It's essential to break down the transparent financial reality of operating a generation system like this so you can accurately measure its value against traditional production costs. Let's look at baseline platform pricing, using the Higgs-Field connection as an objective example. On an annual basis, a starter tier runs about $15 a month, which yields 200 generation credits. Moving up to the Pro tier costs around $39 a month, and that gives you 1,200 credits. This provides a very clear, predictable view of baseline operating expenses for your underlying infrastructure. Now, to effectively calculate your return on investment per project, you have to look at the actual credit usage per generation type. Generating a high-resolution image on a premium model might cost 2 credits. Running a batch of 4 image iterations could run you 8 credits. Generating a high-end 5-second video asset might consume 45 credits. By mapping out these micro costs, you can accurately budget the exact cost of generating a fully animated website layout versus what it would cost to hire an agency to do the exact same thing. When you step back and look at the whole architecture we've explored today, from unified multi-model routing to reusable automated skills, it fundamentally shifts how a business can scale. Just think about it. If your entire visual workflow became a single callable command, what limits your output today? That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.